So it seems like your company has created a digital business card for you. Through this tutorial, I will walk you through how to download, view, and share your digital business card, capture client information, manage your contacts, notes, and tasks, edit your profile, and exploit all other available features on the platform. So, let's get started. On your welcome email, you will see there are links to access our employee guide, download the app, and access the web application. Once you download the app, you will be able to log in via Outlook or Google one-click login. Otherwise, you may log in with your email in a one-time passcode. Just make sure you always use the professional email that is included in your welcome email. Once you access the app, you will be able to see your digital business card from your profile. In order to share your digital business card, head to the Exchange screen. There, you will see your QR code as well as the option to share your digital business card via link. You may also add your QR to your Apple or Google Wallet, as well as a widget on your phone. Once someone scans your QR, they'll be able to see and interact with your digital business card online. They will be able to either download your contact or revert back their details. If they click on download, they'll be able to save your contact onto their device. However, we recommend you always ask them to revert their details, as you want to make sure you capture their info, and they will also get your digital business card in their inbox. They will be able to quickly fill in the contact form with autofill and send it back to you. You will then receive a notification in KADO. Click on the notifications bell to see your newly captured lead. Leads are contacts that have been captured via your form. You may decide to reject the lead, edit it before saving it, or accept it directly. Accepted leads turn into contacts. Once you save the lead, it turns into a contact, and only then will it get said with any of the available providers, such as CRMs or Outlook. Now, let's have a look into how to manage your new contacts. Your recently saved contacts will appear under the home screen. Click on one of them, then on Relationship Science. From there, you will be able to add notes and tasks on the go to make sure that you do not forget any important detail. Just click on Create and choose whether you want to add a note or a task. Plus, these notes will also get synchronized with your CRM. Depending on your contract, you will also be able to see all your emails and meetings held with that particular person. Finally, you will also be able to download the LinkedIn profile of your new captured contact and see where they worked or studied. You may realize you both went to the same high school. From the home screen, you will be able to see a summary of your recent activity, such as pending leads, recent contacts, and latest notes and tasks, making your contact and relationship management simpler and more efficient. Now let's have a look at the web. Once you log into the web application, under the home, you will be able to see your latest activity, create notes and tasks on the go, as well as to activate any of our available integrations. On the left-hand panel, you will see quick links to review any pending leads and to access your latest contacts. Finally, let's have a look into how to edit your card. You may do this either from the phone app or web, but we recommend doing it from the web. To do so, head to your profile. Under Card Info, you will be able to edit all your basic information, such as your phone number, email, or position. You may also add buttons that are personal to you, such as a link to your calendar or a YouTube video of a personal interview. Just click on Add Content, select Button or Video, and fill in the display text and URL. You may also add your own socials, such as your LinkedIn or Twitter accounts. Just head to Socials. Click on Add Social, select the network that you want to add, and fill in the display name and URL to your profile. From KADO, you will also be able to create virtual backgrounds with your QR code, which you can use on Teams or Zoom calls, as well as to create click-through email signatures that you can add to your Outlook or Gmail accounts. As you can see with KADO, you will not only be able to easily share your digital business card, but also capture contact information, add notes and tasks on the go, and review your meetings and emails under a single screen, making networking and contact management considerably more efficient and productive, saving you time from CRM housekeeping and other admin tasks It's time to turn your network into business. Welcome to the new era of networking and relationship management.